That's awesome. That's so awesome.
Short seller extraordinaire.
Oh, please.
All the shares across the street. And if you're a fund manager, you get a kickback for fucking buying this shit. So let's say I'm managing your money, and you're up for the year. Oh, you can afford to lose a bit. Crazy, right? But you think about it. Just think about it. How are these able to do so much size at such a ridiculous discount?
Awesome, man.
Brent. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
People came. Just to hang out. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm trying to get out of bed. Rough night.
Oh, where are your shoes at?
We
We are San Diego this trip, baby. Mel still thinks he's in Hawaii.
This is all I ever heard.
I know.
It's crazy.
I love it, dude.
Time to get beer?
Man,
So
I'd
well?
like to go to Hawaii. Yeah, I got a tab over there. Just throw it on mine.
Instead of talking about like partying, drinking, and this and that, so that's why we kind of work. Yeah, that's for sure.
He uses a Cobra wet bush, but a lot of times he has a hard time. He has a hard time getting the stuff down too. But yeah, you're right about him. How's it going, Jeremy?
Nice to meet you. Heard came out. You don't have overnight fees, and then
What up? That's not bad.
One thing about Bright Sweet, the execution is so fast.
Is it?
And the down, and it's all.
But they have the free version. I think it's going over like I guess they try to do.
I try to size down my size.
Changed. Wow. And yeah, just give me the patience and discipline and everything I did.
patience and discipline, that thing that kind of pushed you over the edge?
Yeah, absolutely. I think in a lot of the other chat rooms, it's a bunch of, the mentors aren't even really saying it.
Yeah.
And they're just, they'll chime in every now and then like, hey, we're here. And then boom, they're gone. And then you have a bunch of rookie newbies that are throwing shit out there that's junk.
Yeah.
And everybody's just trying to jump in on that, because it's like, well, maybe this guy knows more than me, and it's,
That's the problem, man. That's
oh,
the
big
problem.
time. So, and then you guys all chiming in like, no, don't do this. And you guys answer everything.
Yeah,
and,
man, that's what we try.
and you guys are there. Like,
I'm
all
literally
the
on the
time.
app, dude. Before I got here, I was on the app. I'm checking the Slack app fucking all the time to see who's messaged. Because, dude, like, at the end of the day, this is like a group chat, right? It's
Yeah.
like a giant group chat on your phone.
It's amazing what you guys answer and how available you are.
Yeah, man.
It's
Like every day, all day, man.
It is
It's like
phenomenal.
always.
Like,
What's up, man?
This is my cousin Hart.
Oh, what's up?
it's
Nice to meet
awesome.
you. Tosh.
So cool. You guys seem very down to earth, humble, fucking good guys.
Like, this is what we would normally do on Saturday.
This
is what we do.
So we go like this. Why not bring our members out? Like, what?
hell yeah.
Or we're gonna grab a drink and chill out like this beautiful weather. Like, why not just like invite the whole team and just like do it the right way?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because you traders are fucking lonely, dude.
Oh, big deal. You just sitting there staring at screens. My wife's like, how do you just sit there all day and just like what are you even looking at? Like, it's hard to explain. These shit flashing all over the place.
Color.
Looks like a video game, man. They don't understand.
Yeah,
Nobody understands.
totally.
Like,
Yeah, my in-laws will come over and like, what are you doing?
What do you see there? Like, what the hell's wrong
Yeah,
with you?
it is. It's amazing. Like if I went back like a year and a half ago when I started, and you look at all that and how it's still overwhelming. But I honestly don't know how I jumped into it because looking at it now, it is so complex and what to understand all that.
It gets fucking harder and harder. That's the problem. The shit that's been working now, probably next year is not going to work anymore. So you have to fucking adapt.
Yeah.
That's tough. That's tough.
And I'd say that's kind of where I'm at now. Like a lot of the stuff pre-market just seems like it's dying.
Or they're gapping it down the next day.
That's the worst
exactly.
part.
That's the fucking
That's
shit.
the
So
shit.
you get locates and then nothing comes and it's like shit.
Dr. Brett says that daily training can be. I mean, you're in a room by yourself like for hours. You know, you need a community. You need accountability. You need somebody to like get everything. Exactly.
Because when you're trading alone, dude, and you got no one to kind of keep you accountable, how do you expect to get better, bro? Right? How do you expect to get better?
Yeah, you can get in your own head so quickly too. I know I do.
Yeah, we met on Twitter, and so we would kind of just keep each other accountable. Since,
That's
like,
so
what,
cool,
I
man.
bugged the shit out of him for like a week, and then he's like, "All right, I'll talk to you."
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now look at where you guys are now. Like it's just that's the way shit fucking works. Man. You need creating accountability buddy that we call, right? That's that's my guy, dude. That's my guy. Yeah.
And so like, I took that to heart, you know, and so you know, Kyle's been like that to me, you know.
When you say your fantasy price, right? Because I've heard you say you put it on your order at the fantasy price. If it hits, great, free money.
Yeah.
Elaborate on that a little bit. What considers a fantasy price?
Outside lines. The most outside shit.
Your dream line, your dream entry.
Like, for example,
Yes.
a day 2 move. That day 2 move. I look at the day 1, so what the high of the day 1 was.
Yes.
That's my fantasy fucking price for a short.
That's one of my favorite plays ever.
Fantasy short? Wait, I'm confused. No, you're talking about.
hitting that same.
So
Day 2, previous day and high.
Day 2 is
Day
breaking
1.
down already.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I look at day 1 and see what the high of day 1 was. I put my orders all around that area.
Scale up to that point. Huge.
You know what I'm saying? So that's my fancy area. Like if it goes back there, it's already breaking down. So it usually does it so fast.
You're saying after the day 2 of the chart, like the price action is coming down. You're adding you put your orders out already on the first day. So that in case it goes back, grabs it, and then that's your fantasy price.
And a lot of the time it's liquid, so you have to have it preset. You see what I'm saying? Because it's going to jump and then it won't feel the guy trying to hit in the moment.
So how do I reverse that strategy for a long?
Fantasy fill on the block.
Right.
That's the bounce, the first bounce.
That is your fantasy price.
So a stock goes from $2 to $4.60,
Yes.
and it watches.
Yes.
You
want to put it $2.
I mean, if you
$4
do,
okay, yes.
It's too late. It's too low. It once it passes, if it breaks under, because that's the line.
it's like
Because that's the line of no return. $4 was the line of no return kind of deal.
So
So you think about it's like there's no way they're gonna die. Okay, it's too fucking
yeah, it's
strong.
fun having a room, dude.
Right?
It's a cool community.
The float has been rotated. It's too strong. It won't die on the first one. So the first wash is always money. You just cannot be early.
are you talking about a specific stock right now? Because you keep saying 4 and 460. You're talking about
No, I'll give an example.
Okay.
Yeah. TENX. Yeah. Watch the video on Friday. Watch the video that I did on Friday.
TNX? TENX.
Yeah.
Copy.
TENX.
I just want to make sure.
I made a video on Friday about it. So watch
I remember. Load it up.
Really good.
Load it up.
It's like I'm not good at it, but I try.
And I explained the whole video
I know the basics,
exactly how you found it, right?
It's not my strength.
Yeah, lines,
It's not,
tackle
I'm
lines.
not, like,
But
no,
there's
no,
two ways
I'm
to do
not,
it. You can either play really
expert,
safe
to say the least.
and waiting for that
We have a lot of guys
forward. That's your
that are,
fancy
like,
fill on the belt.
really good research.
But it's
I
all
wanna
technical
know.
analysis, right? That's
You know,
the
like,
support.
you want to know about as a short
Or you
seller?
just, but sometimes it goes 408.
Yeah.
And sometimes it goes 392.
So you gotta just shotgun that.
Scatter.
You have
You just shotgun that area.
I shotgun the area. That's what it is. That's skill. It's called
Right.
skill. Yeah. So instead of doing one big order, I do little, and then the average should weigh itself out.
You just want to get in quick.
So that's where the FOMO comes in. You're like, I really want to feel badly. Where do I want? Do I 420? But if it hits $4, it's fucking 20 cents.
That's
But
20
it helps.
cents.
That strategy helps fight the FOMO because it's already there. You know,
Yeah, so I put the orders in already. You have to be okay with not feeling. Because so this is where you tell yourself, a stock goes from 460, it drops, and I have FOMO, I want to buy at 420 or 430. Even if you feel how much you're going to make.
right.
You see what I'm saying? There's no meat on the bone at that price. So there's no point having FOMO at that price.
Right.
The only real play would be at the bottom. There's enough meat for the bounce.
Exactly.
That's
It's like
it's
they
risk
stood out
reward.
in the community.
If it goes under, how much more can it go under? You're already at the lowest of the support.
Yeah. If it goes below that, then
And it goes to the next
bias is-
support. Yeah. You might as well fucking just but usually but the thing is like you won't lose that much because you already fucking everybody just fucking took the loss. If it doesn't bounce, some shit is going on, like dilution or some shit. But normally, that's why you have to look at the filings. If I'm looking at the filings and I see dilution, I'm not buying the fucking first shit.
Never.
Not buying the first bounce.
Because it never bounce.
Dude,
How many times you seen that shit?
take an XP, you don't want to buy shit like that.
Yeah. So if there's current dilution, fuck everything.
That's like the red card, get out.
But you know what? I still do it because I'm a fucking crazy motherfucker. But I do a smaller size. Remember, not every trade.
I thought you just said never.
Never. There's no nothing never in trading, right?
They're riddles.
These are riddles I leave you.
Taking a position and then scaling out versus recycling shares. On bounces.
So when I get into a stock, sometimes I'm like, if I'm recycling, that means I'm biased towards that direction.
Right.
But if it's just a fucking quick scalp, I'm out.
Okay. Gotcha.
So you have to see if you want to endure holding this as a swing position.
Gotcha.
So if I want to hold this as a swing position, up or down, like long or short, that's when I recycle.
Right. Safer.
Would you say that's your most repeatable, consistent strategy? Your first bounce? I'm gonna go down. Because it's all about repeatable, consistent. We all know that. Would you say for you? Right. That's what I'm asking. For you,
you have to be quick, and you can't be.
No, for you.
For me, it would be it would be a continuation low hanging fruit. That's what I call it low hanging fruit for a reason.
Right.
Because it's the easiest shit. When a stock is broken, I'm waiting for it to pop up so I can short.
Yeah. That's your most consistent strategy.
That is the
That's
money.
mine, yeah.
That is, when a stock is broken, I'm praying it pops up. Any pop up, I'm scaling it.
Got it.
That is money. That's why every time the day two when a stock dies, I'm like, please bounce. Just give me any sort of fucking bounce.
What about for long?
For a long, it
What's
would
your
be
most consistent?
rotation off of the first bounce.
Okay.
And the zombie.
And the 1030 sound.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about the vampire rule?
Vampire rule?
There's a vampire now?
No,
yeah.
the food rules have all these new rules,
I missed that
man.
one.
We're the zombie,
There's a
the vampire.
When you give those guys all your money for a DVD, they suck they suck all your fucking money.
Tell what the vampire rule is.
It's when you buy the fucking Food's DVD and then you fucking look at your bank account and they sucked all you dry, dude. The vampire rule. And it's usually around Black Friday, and then Cyber Monday. Christmas is coming up.
Vampire Christmas sale.
That's the vampire rule. Like first they have the Thanksgiving, 30% off. Black Friday, 35%. I'm like, last call, 40%. And then what happened a week later? Okay, last chance. And it's always a high. I hate theoretical shit. I like to see applied. So in my opinion, what's wrong with the current education is people tell you theoretical and then you're looking for that mystical fucking pattern. And if you look hard enough, it appears everywhere. I see cup and handle everywhere. Right? And then when it happens, see, I was right. Guru only. But at that time, I see cup and handle everywhere.
Have you ever? So you don't even play that stuff. Have you ever?
I may do it like inadvertently, but I don't fucking tell people about that kind of shit.
Yeah.
Because when I look at that shit, it's just like, man, to me, it's all about the lines. The way I teach you guys, this is the very basic shit, okay? So people think I'm dumb. Let's say the top traders, actually, they think I'm dumb because they're like, oh, you teach so basic shit.
No.
But at this level, you need to learn the basic first.
Right.
Once you learn this shit, you can build whatever fucking models you want.
And your whole basic is support and resistance.
Yeah.
So you're going back to that.
In day trading, it goes support, resistance, supply, demand. That's it. Volume. Right? At the end of the day, it's fucking the lines. Everything in between for me is noise.
Just like that.
And if he's still holding on those lines, it could be something wrong or not really?
No, it could be waiting.
Just patient.
Yeah, but if it spikes up, you have to have
What
it
was your
stop.
question?
That if it's holding in the line,
Yeah.
that if it's, let's say you're long or short, whatever, but if it's holding that, if it's choppy, what happens?
No, that's the noise.
No, but regarding the line.
If I get in and that sucker's going a little bit, I'll hold it
You hold
until the
until-
next line. Until
Punch
the next
factor.
line. So I go from line to line, and in my opinion, that's the best education way to do entries and do exits. Right? So like people don't know. You can use Fibonacci if you want. You do the Fibonacci.
Yeah.
But I just go, you can exit from line to line. That's what I keep saying, right? Exit from line to line. Stop. You stop out the next line. Because you already fucked them wrong, right? So, higher day, if you're shorting higher day, you need to fucking stop out. That's the golden rule.
Okay.
Unless it's a day 2 and it's broken down, and then, those are my fantasy shorts. Because even if I'm wrong, how much more can you go up? But the most dangerous on the day 2 is this. Stocks being down, and it starts going up. They saved it. You're
AETI day 2.
You're dead. Unless you stop out at the fucking previous day's high. Okay? So you have to be careful what you wish for too. So it's all in the time. In the beginning, at the open, it'll go up there and trick and go down. But if it starts to fucking kill people, like start trading and cleaning people out, and it starts to slowly zombie up, dude, you're dead. You know what I'm saying?
How long you been here? Yeah, 4 years. Yeah.
But you have to have the stops and
Going back on the first bounce, volumes. What are we looking at? What speaks to you? I understand the big move.
Float rotation.
Okay.
Float rotation.
What does that mean?
Meaning,
what do I see?
Okay, I look at the float. The float's 1 million.
Yes.
And the shit's trading like fucking 2 million or 1 million.
Float rotated.
10 million. Yeah, TNX, whatever it was. But that was the end of the day. I'm talking about the first time. It was still like a million or 2 million.
Okay.
And
because you know it's over the float.
And it's fucking, this shit's ripping. It's killing every fucking short.
He's legendary for a fucking reason, dude.
And when it takes down, I know it's not gonna keep going down forever. At some point, it's gonna bounce. You have to.
So you still you're looking with big volume. Is that safe to say? Yeah. I'm looking for big volume.
Well, it's demand. It's demand.
You need volume. Because if there's no volume,
right? I guess that's my mix. That's my mix. You leave it alone. Right?
Probably like one of the most important for me.
You have to have liquidity to get in and out.
But if it's rotating, you go long, right?
If it's
it's
we're talking about the first,
right?
Okay.
Bro, it's like this. So basically, you have to know what the trend is. Okay, so there's a bunch of different theories, but the thing is, when you trade a stock, you either buy or sell or do nothing. It all depends, right? They call it like, don't fight the trend, go with the trend. Trend is your friend. So determine, is the trend up or down? Start trying with that. If it's up, don't fucking short. Unless you're just scalping the move. So pop up, short, pop down, cover. That's it. That's a scalp. Okay, there's a bunch of different ways to trade it. But you don't want to hold a fucking swing position on the trend up if you're shorting. So saying? You should. So now if it's trend up, you should be long bias until the trend changes. So that's the tough part, though. The tough part determining is the trend up or down at that moment, and where exactly does the trend line break? Backside, front side.
Yeah.
When it shifts.
Yeah.
You don't use a VWAP.
I do it, but
It's not the end all be all.
I use the lines and then the VWAP to confirm the line. Because the VWAP, if my line says this under this line is game over for the stock, the VWAP should also indicate that.
Yeah, the support and resistance is more prominent than VWAP. Right?
VWAP is misleading because how many times have the shit been under VWAP and the fucking zombies the fuck out of you?
Yeah.
Now, that
a
time that
guideline.
you're talking about, how much can you trust it? Or do you trust it just
I trust that line. With my line. The Bible.
Surfing every day.
Look at these beauties. Oh my god.
Show around the place. This place is awesome.
San Diego meetup.
What's up, buddy?
What is up? Look at these little vultures just judging everybody over here.
I'm just watching the show, man.
I love it.
Guys.
I'm watching the show.
And it is a show, bro.
It was a 10 ouncer.
So I go with line. So that makes it easier, a systematic way to exit.
Oh my god, aren't you Modern Rock?
Modern cock?
Oh, that's you.
That's a chicken. That's a chicken.